In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Clickup, a powerful all-in-one app designed to help streamline your workflow and boost productivity. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you logged in and set up for success in Clickup. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Clickup website. The website is expertly designed to consolidate all your work needs in one place, making it an indispensable tool for project management. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, there's also an option to sign up, but today we'll focus on logging in. After clicking login, a new page will prompt you to enter your credentials. For those who prefer a fast, seamless experience like many users, consider signing in with your Google account. You'll notice a dedicated button for this on the sign in page. Next, when you select to sign in with Google, a window will appear showing your Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to choose the appropriate one for your ClickUp activities. Selecting the wrong account might cause confusion later when accessing specific workspaces or projects. With access granted, you'll be taken directly into your ClickUp dashboard. Here you can manage projects, tasks, and more. The first stop is your workspace. If your projects are organized into lists, take a look at those to get an overview of what's currently active or needs attention. Now, let's dive a little deeper. Head over to the sidebar where you can select a list that's relevant to your current focus. Lists in ClickUp are part of what makes it a dynamic tool, enabling you to categorize and order your tasks effectively. Click on the list you want to explore more thoroughly. Within your chosen list, you're likely to see both active and completed tasks. To filter these, click on the view options and select closed to bring up tasks that have been completed. This view is essential for reviewing what has been accomplished and identifying any tasks that might need revisiting. The final step to wrap up your session is making sure to save any changes you've made. Whether you've shifted task priorities, added notes, or tweaked deadlines, always click save before leaving. This ensures all your updates are stored and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. And there you have it, an introductory guide to getting started with ClickUp. From logging into organizing your lists, these steps will help you harness the full potential of this robust tool. Don't forget to explore ClickUp's numerous features to further optimize your productivity. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.